Hi friends, it's Candice Kumai. I'm the author of 7 different cookbooks and wellness books. This is my pumpkin spice smoothie. I'm gonna start with my frozen banana, which is the base of a great smoothie. We're gonna add in a Bosc pear to bulk this up. Our other magical ingredient of the day is gonna be pumpkin and pumpkin pie spice. And see, these are also full of omega-3 fatty acids, a little bit of maple syrup. We're gonna add a scoop of our AG1. Perfect. A handful of spinach in your smoothies, nobody will ever know. Today, I'm gonna use a little bit of almond milk. It's unsweetened. You can absolutely do oat milk, regular milk, your favorite milk. I don't care as long as you're happy. All right, so this is our pumpkin spice smoothie. So if you want a chocolate pumpkin smoothie, cocoa powder, I'm just gonna drop like 2 tablespoons or so. Amazing. That is so good.